Well, I've quite a bit to tell you today, and yesterday I went to get the pulley for my lister and arranged to go. I was there a bit early and it was very windy and it was out the back and I thought it was out, didn't matter. Anyway, so I went to my friends at Tasshall and Adam stopped and he'd had that for me for a long while, given me that. Do some videos of, you see, old Paraffin Blowlamp. So I thought, well, we want a few videos out of it. So I'm doing the disassembly today, hopefully, and then the clean up tomorrow, and with a bit of luck, then we'll put it together. Now, I'm not restoring it, right? I'm not restoring it, I'm just going to take it to pieces and clean it up and put it back together. And then when it's finished, the pump works and that, you know, it'll have pressure in. I think it'll work, well, it should work. So all I'm going to do is clean it up, and they work like a primus or a thing. You've got a wick in there, you see, in there. Well, and you put mess in there and set fire to it and it heats this up. Well, I'm not going to do it, heat it up that way. I'm getting a new wick which will come, which may be here or maybe not. I might just have to show you later, right? So we'll see how it comes to pieces, because it's, you know, it might be tight and it might be a bit difficult. So we'll get set up for that. And also, at the end, you see, if I don't stand in here, it's a bit bright, isn't it, in this room? Or it's looking a bit bright to me, I don't know, maybe not. Anyway, I've taken you for a quick ride out. I know a few of you like a ride out, you see, so I've got a bit of footage of where I took my tractor to a show, well, a couple of years and 3 years ago, right? And I've just gone along that lane to show you from the turn off, and I'll show you where we turn in. Right, we'll see how easy or difficult this is to take to pieces. Hey? I think you can see alright there. This seems to be the best spot. Right, well, the first thing, this unscrews, because this is where you fit it. And you release, oh, that's come off pretty well, and it's got a, if you can see, it's got a nice rubber in there. And what you do, you see, this is to stop it, you let the pressure off by releasing that, and that seems to work, you see. So all I'm going to do is take that out. All I'm going to do is take that out and clean it. Right. Right, next we need the we need this out. Might be tight. Now you can you see the vise? Yes, you can see the vise. So what I'll do to unscrew it is I'll put it in the vise and I'll use these gloves as soft jaws. I'm not tightening the vise up, just got to put it in to hold it from spinning round. And let's see if that'll work or not. There we are. Now then, like I said, I'm not tightening it up as such. I'm just there, just to stop it turning, because let's see if this will come undone. I ain't got the vise tight enough yet. Now, wants to be just very lightly holding it. That's it. Let's try that again. Oh, it's come undone. Good. That's all right. So far so good, eh? putting all the things on the bench. So today's video, it's going to be a bit of a all sorts video. You know, that's that one. Now I've got, take it out again, because there are two there. The light's a bit wrong, isn't it? But there's a little brass nut and bolt through there, and a slotted screw thing on there. So see if they'll come out, eh? Oh, yeah, it has. Amazing. Right. Oh, need to loosen, see if we can get the front one out. I know we're a bit wrong side the light, but it's, you know, it's how it is, isn't it? Yes, that's come off as well. Oh, we're doing well here. And that one comes out. Right, that goes there. Put the nut on it so we don't lose it. You see? That comes off. And that comes off. Now I've got, this might be very fast. I've seen, I've actually just to refresh how they come to bits. I looked at a video of someone taking one to bits, and they had to have two people holding it and all sorts. They didn't get on very well at all. So, as I say, we'll have to see whether this will come undone or not. We may have to resort to a different method, but anyway, let's. Oh, well, I should tighten up a bit more now for some reason. Right, try it. Oh, it has! Look at that! Oh, that's a bit of luck. Right, what have we got here? It's exciting, this, isn't it? Oh, there's a... I'll show you. It seals on that, look. There. Can you see? Yeah. And there's just a bit of pipe that... It goes up there. There we are. And there's a... I'll do that off camera because it might just be a bit difficult. There's a tiny jet in the middle there. If you can see that, just if I'm holding it in the right place, there. That's a little tiny jet, and so it goes up here and heats it with the flame and vaporises it and goes down there and comes out that little hole in the middle. You know, it's like a tilly lamp. I could show you better on my tilly lamp, couldn't I? So we're getting on pretty well, really, because we've only got, there's the wick in the middle. It would actually work, this. It would actually work. There is a wick in the middle, but I've ordered a new bit. I don't know if I've got enough or right, but like I said, though, I'm not going to try it that way because these things, they actually were the cause of more house fires for years, which has now, of course, been replaced by iPhone chargers. You know, because what happens is, you put mess in there and lit them, and just like my tilly lamp that you've seen, and I'll try and find you a quick little clip what happens, in case someone doesn't know. On a tilly lamp it blazes up, but there's a roof on it. With these, there isn't, and you think it's alright to fire it up, and it isn't, and you get like a flamethrower it is, you know. Oh dear, terrible things. Right, I've now got to get a spanner that size, if you can see it, and take that off. So that's it for this video. finish the video, I'll show you the coin table, which has turned out very successful. See, it's dried, you can't see it. I'm leaving it like this time, but they're all stuck and it's all clear. You can hardly see that PVA glue, so we're leaving it like that. But so that idea has been very successful. Right, we'll see if we can manage to clean the lamp, the blow lamp, yeah, tomorrow.